Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u an.
Government facilities will remain as they are. There is no question of. Sorry?
We also, can we wind up this discussion?
Sir.
Yeah. I think there will be enough platform because we will have to be discussing again and again.
Sir, when he was talking, it's okay for him to take as much time as he wants.
No, because
when
we
we're replying, then
have also
Sir,
some other
if you have the
important
passion,
items.
If you have the passion to ask, you must have the patience to hear. Please, sir, I have to. This is an important topic. When I'm
If the honorable speaker extends the time, we have no problem.
So I'm clarifying the points.
For all other private members' business, including the resolution.
Sir, I mean, I don't know, sir. This is very unfair, I must say, because you ask things, but then you don't have the patience. Sir, I have to take time. This is something
we have
important.
Patience. We can hear for 2 hours also, no problem.
Please do. So, sir, keeping that in mind, the people and the members have to realize that they are always saying the rates will go up. The rates will go up. Sir, the rates will not go up for government service, not go up for government procedure, will not go up for government hospitals. They will remain as they are. When a party comes in and sets up their own hospital, now if you say that rate will go up.
Haksing wasau jong Dorbar sungrai jong biflem just assembly. Kecil tay pok Hindu, thau an keladap, dak jenglet. Nya dak thma hak Ktien ke wajur happening. Menteri Lembak Jelau Kandat Ke Sangma. Bat Dr. Mukul Sangma. Di mengilam kaliang persya. Kabau do Kandat Ke Sangma udang ngarap ban pinsai ya ke menteri ko yukia. Ka Dr. Amparin meseling do. Halor kecing kali bat kejaba bawanda do Dr. Mukul Sangmahi. Hari ko Dr. Mukul Sangma udang ngarap ban persya. Laki benua dong kinsan ya menteri Lembak nama ba ukuran jerong haki bentai ba om sembah untuk haki jingkali pat pelong jiwai banjing atai nyok la chu banyan hawa jebab ya ketika cintai jong Tura Medical College pun rat ulong maksal kar sempia man pendap yang ni projek handrai lapan sai pat dang don gijing bilang sa man Islam ya gijing pendap ke Bapura susu konat semua ulong ya menteri Lembak barim jong ke jalau do sungkul semua bawa mandi makin tur kat bawa udang klan wah kadai ke bantah kat Malaysia ban ai ke jebab apa yang dah buat tahu ai hanya kita doktor mukul semua ulah kan tahu apa ke jebab jong golong tang kajing bunnya handai klam kajing jimpen sai ke buat yang saking berbar lo daru no lompang bo sungkia lo ni ke kam bola kena bo kan dat penjak burung ya ki Dorbar baik pak dakwa nom ai jebab paskan kajing yang kendu bat ketma Ktien apa kini arut kini kan
Is in Meghalaya already such a state in totality? Can we segregate populations and say this population is well-to-do and this population is not well-to-do? No. Hence, we are knocking the door of the government. And within the parameters of operation, we have to come up with a solution. If there is a solution for this requirement of expert faculty, please bring it across. I'm sure the Honorable Chief Minister is patiently hearing you out. But we will not bulldoze. Now, we need to ask the same question that the Honorable LO himself has asked. Are we going to achieve this? Are we going to engage on feelings, imaginations, narratives that are irrelevant to the need of the institutionalization of a medical institute that will help the people of Garo Hills also have equal opportunity? We need to set the record straight, Chairman, sir. Under what imagination? Does someone imagine that if a medical college is in Tura, the people of the Garo Hills do not get to study in any other seat assigned to the government of Meghalaya? We are following the roster. Whether you are a Garo, a Khasi, a Jaintia, or anyone from the state of Meghalaya, you have equal access to those seats. We will not marginalize anyone. Everybody is part of that. Also, we must remember
No, there is no submission as such.
May I continue?
No, kindly
Chairman, sir?
avoid those references because none of us have said that we are marginalized.
Honorable Chairman, sir, I have listened attentively to all the debates. When you say underprivileged, when you say the pulls and pushes, when you say responsive needs of the people, when you say derailment of affordable healthcare system, I beg to be corrected if I have interpreted, and I agree with you. I will use the same words that everybody else is using.
Look at the practical aspect of things and move forward. And therefore, sir, if you look at it from a larger perspective, it is actually, in a way, a blessing from the point of service point of view. So I don't want to quote this, but of course, some of our MLAs, I don't want to name, MLAs, they had certain health issues. And, they had treatment, but the treatment, needed further examination and further, operation and procedures. And they were sent to different hospitals in CMC, Vellore and other parts of the country. And therefore, sir, tomorrow, if these kind of setups and hospitals are coming in by the private guys, hopefully our patients will not have to travel all the way to CMC, Vellore or to Hyderabad or to Mumbai, and the overall health facilities will upgrade, will improve. Private party has to come in to provide the services. So can you imagine the people have to travel all the way to CMC, Vellore, all the way to Mumbai, the travel expenditure, the staying expenditure, the entire stress of being away from home. If these facilities come to Meghalaya, if they come to Shillong, if they come to Tura, the patients who can afford will be happy. My point here, sir, is important to segregate. I think we are trying to combine government facilities with the private facilities. We need to look at them separately. The government facilities will remain as they are. There is no question of... Sorry?
Can we wind up this discussion?
Sir...
Yeah. I think there will be enough platform because we will have to be discussing again and again.
Sir, when he was talking, it's okay for him to take as much time as he wants.
No, because
when
we have also
sir,
some other important items.
If you have the passion to ask, you must have the patience to hear. Please, sir, this is an important topic.
If the Honorable Speaker extends the time, we have no problem.
So I'm clarifying the points.
For all other private members' business, including the resolution.
Sir, I don't know, sir. This is very unfair, I must say. Because, you ask things, but then you don't have the patience. Sir, I have to take time. This is something
we have
important.
Patience. We can hear for 2 hours also, no problem.
Please do. So, sir, keeping that in mind, the people and the members have to realize that they are always saying the rates will go up. The rates will go up. Sir, the rates will not go up for government service, not go up for government procedure, will not go up for government hospitals. They will remain as they are. When a party comes in and sets up their own hospital, now if you say that rate will go up, so that's the private party's prerogative. It's not something because they have invested in it. And as I mentioned, tomorrow Apollo Hospital, positive explanation about Finance Commission. So we are all very much aware about Finance Commission. I can go into details and spend another hour and a half explaining how the Finance Commission works. But the point is, sir, these are all aspects that we know are present. But how do we make it happen? It's not as simple. Of course, we can put it, but when you put this the next Finance Commission will come in. The next Finance Commission, when it comes in, that's when this issues will be put in, because current Finance Commission's recommendations have already gone forward. They'll come out with their recommendations very, very soon. So there are a lot of areas which, is simple to just say that, put it in the Finance Commission. It's not so simple, sir. There's a time period. It'll take about 7 to 8 years, 9 years to do it. Now, the question is also not about money as much as it is about availability. Now, obviously, sir, if it's a question of money, we have to pay 10%, 15%, 20% more. Yes, government is willing to go ahead and give that extra amount. But we need the manpower's availability. And again, I repeat that the larger question is the availability of the manpower. Even if we want to pay, the people are not ready to come. That is where we are stuck, sir. So, having said that, and respecting the LO's desire to close the discussion, sir, I would like to simply say that our intention is very clear. We are not here to take away anybody's rights. We are not here to bulldoze as a government. We never ever do that, sir. There have been many instances where you have seen that we have engaged, and if we have found that there is validity and there is another way out, we have been very, very happy to explore the other way if it helps the larger interests. So we are open. I want to make it very clear. But as of now, there were two things only. Number one was that there's a misconception about the information. People are saying that they have to pay 50 lakhs to 1 crore fee. These misconceptions have to go first. And after everybody understands all these facts and figures and knows about these misconceptions that are there, then we can discuss about the possibility of other options. And if the other options are there for us to explore, and we are able to get the manpower, then we can explore, as I said, the alternative options of moving forward in whatever way possible. But we have explored it in the past. We have seen the challenges. It's not that we just simply jumped into this. Last 2 years, we've been working on this option and seeing how to move forward. And after a lot of deliberation, sir, we had to see that this was the only way that we could move forward. There are confusions, so we're ready to engage. We will engage. In fact, next week, I have requested our health department to also very actively clarify all these concerns that are there. And then, based on that, sir, we're open to discussion with the honorable members also. We'll be happy to engage and take this forward. But I thought that I would take this opportunity to clarify some of the points that the honorable members have mentioned. And once again, I thank the honorable health minister for a very, very articulate and a very, very good reply that she's given to this particular short duration discussion. With these few words, I resume my seat, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir. In fact, when I wanted to make my submission, the Honorable CM wanted to supplement through his clarification. I'm grateful and thankful to the Honorable Chief